Hi there, I'm Kenu and I'm a customer success manager at MiaRec. Today, I'll show you how to run scorecards conditionally based on their call reason and then show you the scorecard dashboard with the calls based on the call reason we choose. If you need a refresher on how to create a scorecard, please check out our customizing scorecards video. Now let's jump in. To get started, we are currently in the QA section of the MiaRec platform under the Form Designer tab. And for this example, we'll be using the account setup scorecard. And this scorecard was created in order to evaluate calls where an account setup has taken place. So we could see the sections and questions right here. And right above, we also see that the form hasn't been assigned to an AI task. So we'll go ahead and configure that now. And we'll make sure to add an AI task and have that be auto QA. And for the name, we want to make sure it's easily identifiable. So we'll make this an auto QA account setup as the title. And we need to make sure to click on the appropriate evaluation form. So we'll be using the account setup scorecard that we have already created. And there is a pre-populated AI prompt. There's no need to make any edits here, so we can leave that as is. And right here at the bottom is the filtering criteria, which is a really important step because we need to make sure that this scorecard is only being used on calls where the reason for the call is account setup. So we'll go ahead and make sure that the parameter is reason for the call. And we will click on account setup. And from here, we'll hit save. And moving forward, now all calls where the reason for the call is account setup, the evaluation form account setup scorecard will be used in order to evaluate those calls. So if we wanted to take a look at that, we can go back into the QA dashboard. And if we scroll down to the forms, we'll see account setup scorecard. So we can click that. And right here, you could see that there have been 8 completed reports. A total of 3 have passed with an average score of 64.2. And there's also a breakdown of average scores and the passing rate broken down by section right here below. And if we go all the way to the bottom, we're also able to see the evaluations and average scores broken down by group, where we can click in and get more granular data by each group. And if we also wanted to see the list of evaluations, we can go ahead and click the evaluations tab right there. And right here, we could see that the reason for the calls is account setup. And then for the report name, we're seeing account setup scorecard all across this list. Running scorecards is a game changer for your contact center because the AI system will analyze the call transcript. It'll assign a call reason based on the list in your MiaRec instance, and then use a specific auto QA scorecard based on the call reason you designate. I hope you find this really helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. And thank you so much for watching.